Anyword workshop. I'm Jenna, a content marketing manager here at Anyword, and today we're going to explore how to create the best Walmart product listing using Anyword. Hey Anyworders, I'm on Anyword and I'm going to create a project for a new Walmart product listing. So I'm just going to click right here. Alright, here's my brief for a Walmart product listing. For today's example, we're using a kid scooter for ages 3 and up. I've entered the name of my product, the product description, and the industry. Keep in mind you can also add your URL right here, and all the information from your webpage will be imported into your brief. And I'm going to hit Create Project. Alright, so here we can generate copy for a paragraph description or a feature list. I've already generated some copy for a feature list right here, but for today's example, we're going to look at paragraph description. You can also enter your custom template right here or keywords, but for now I'm going to hit Generate. Alright, awesome. So here are some of the copy variations that the AI generated for us. And these numbers right here are your predictive performance scores. They let us know how well this copy would perform. And if you click on details for these scores, you see even more information about the demographics of who this copy would appeal to in terms of age group and gender-related tone of voice. So that's really amazing. If you want to generate copy in a different language, just go down here and you'll see all the different languages that Anyword offers. If you ever want to change up the information and the copy variations being generated, just go back to your brief here and you can continue to tweak the information in your brief. You can add product attributes right here, which lets you include a feature or benefit, and you can add more than one feature. For this one, I'll add lightweight and safe. So you'll see that the custom templates I added are right here, and we can generate copy within these custom templates. All right, now if you have an existing product description that you'd like to rewrite, just go to the rewrite section right here, copy and paste your existing text right here. You'll notice my existing text has a score of 59, so that can definitely be improved. And you can rewrite your existing text in the default template right here, or any of the rewrite styles based on your customer personas or product attributes. Once you've chosen the rewrite style you want to go with, you're just going to hit Generate More right here. And that's it. Enjoy creating your Walmart product listing on Anyword.com.